In this video, I'm going to show you how to use phone as a mic on PC. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now on your phone, first of all, you need to go to your Google Play Store, then go to search, then search for WO mic, then tap on search. Then you're going to see this mic here. As you can see, I've already installed it. So you need to install this app on your Android phone. And then on your PC, you are going to go to Google Chrome, then go to search, then search again for WO mic. So once you are here, you are going to click on this first link here, WO mic free microphone. So click on it. Then you will click on download. On your left, you are going to see download. Click on it. Then you scroll down a little bit. Then under install VC runtime on PC, you are going to see this link here, install VC runtime. So you are going to click on it to download it. Then it will automatically download, as you can see on the top here. So once you've done that, you will again come here, install client and driver on PC. So again, you are going to click on this file here in order to download it. So once you've downloaded the two, you are going now to run the first one first. You are going to double click on it in order to run it. I had already installed it on my PC, so you can just install it. If you click on run, so you will follow this procedure in order to install it. But for me, I had already installed it on my PC, so I'm just going to close this one. Again, you are going to run exe file for WO. So once you've done that, you will now, after it has installed, you will now go and open the app. Then this is the app here. So you will go to connection, then connect. Then you are going to go on your phone and open the app version on your phone. Then click the play button on the top. Then ensure that you are connected to the same Wi-Fi. Your PC and your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi. So you can go to Wi-Fi. Then this is the address. On your phone, you are going to tap on those three lines on your top left corner. Then settings. Then transport. Then you are going to choose Wi-Fi. Then you will go back. On your PC, ensure that you have selected Wi-Fi. Once you've done that, on your phone, you are going to see those arrows on your top right corner. Click on them. Then you will see the IP address. So ensure that you have entered this IP address on your PC. This part here, ensure that the IP address is the same. So once you've done that, you will click on connect. But if you have a USB cable, you can also use USB cable. You can go to connect. Then on your phone again, you can go to those three lines on your top left corner. Then settings. Then transport. Then choose USB. Then once you've done that, you will now connect your USB cable. Once you've connected your USB cable, you can now select USB on your PC. You'll select USB on your PC, then click on connect. Then your phone will connect to your PC using the cable. So that's really it, guys. That's how to use your phone as mic on PC. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.